Okay, so hi guys and welcome back to my today we'll learn how to make an assignment paper using Microsoft Word 2019. Okay, so here I am taking my Microsoft Word. You can use anything for better use Microsoft 2019 or Microsoft Office 365. So let's start. Take a blank document. Next this open. So let's add some these shapes. Okay, so we will add these shapes. We will add these shapes. Okay, so let's have it. Okay, so like this we are taken. Now you can fill it as one if you want. If you want, then you can copy it and paste it also. And next, so the alignment should be like this. Or better, use this kind of design. Next, I can go to Shapes and create a square. Okay. If you want to make it bigger, then make it bigger. So I am deleting it. Let's again go to shape, take a shape, make a square. Okay, so let's see. So you'll have to take the border one. Okay, let's have it like this. Next, we will have another one. Then go to shapes. Then another it here. Okay, like this. Now you will have to write assessment assessment number. Okay, so let's have it. What is the name? Office. No, not assessment. Okay. Okay, so like this. To design it, it will show like this. But if you want, then you can use this like this. I will show it to you. Okay, so here, if you want to design, see, why was this looking not good? See, like this, if it is, I press enter or press backspace. Now insert it right 2 and make it bigger as much as you can. Okay, 2 means 1. Okay, next what to do, go to insert section, take this one and select it here. Okay,
এই বিছানা উঠে বসবি তো বস বস
okay, so let's have it towards this or centrally. Okay, let's write any kind of topic you can want. Okay, you can use any kind of editor. Okay, so I am writing what is blow hot blow cold, blow hot blow cold. Okay, so let's have it. Let's design it. So I left it blue. Now make it bigger. Okay.
উঠে বস এইখানটা উঠে বস এইখানটা বস
Okay. So next what to do? Next you will have to press save heading at the bottom. Okay. So let's copy it. Copy paste. Let's drag it towards the bottom. So let's scroll it and make sure that it is here. Okay, like this. Okay, and it is heading. Delete number, or if not, then delete as well this one number. Okay, so let's have you can then take and box. Okay, so again to the same section, let's take and box at here and design it like this. Okay, design it like this, and you can point this up to this or better. Next, take another shape over here. Okay, so let's have it. So we will have to maintain this. Well, let's have it the design. Go to format. Click here. Click on this yellow bar. So see, it is looking nice. If you want the feel of this, then you can add any color. And like this. Okay. Now let's rewrite activity 1. Okay. Let's add a text box right here. Add a text box. What to tell me? I will write your topic here. Okay. Now let's have it aligned. You can't. There go this and this. Okay. Serial and procedural. Now go to forward. Here's the procedural black text. Okay. So
খাওয়া দাওয়া হলো?
let's have it on backwards. Okay. So next we will have to make it.
নিচে কি করছে?
Okay. I'll go here. Group it. Okay.
হ্যাঁ, কি
So
করছো?
let's have it also.
আমি আজকে ছাদে
This
যাই না।
one. Again we have to group it. This and this I will group it.
আমি হট ব্যাগ দিয়ে বডি গরম করছি।
Or whether you can art group it also.
হট ব্যাগ।
Okay. Okay, so see here we have created. So thanks for marching.